Diamond Plate Knob Back Anti-Fatigue. The comfort and durability of Diamond Plate Anti-Fatigue matting in a configuration that makes it suitable for wet area applications, which previously were restricted to traditional molded rubber products. Diamond Plate Knob Back has a 5/32 inch thick diamond plate surface, permanently bonded to your choice of a 3/8 inch or 3/4 inch thick, resilient closed-cell polymeric sponge core. The knob back substrate is permanently bonded to the diamond plate surface, creating a sealed envelope encapsulating the sponge core. Quality you can count on. This American classic suffers no deterioration from weathering and ozone exposure and is self-extinguishing when tested per FMVSS 302. It offers excellent durability following exposure to many organic and inorganic industrial chemicals. Its closed-cell polymeric sponge core produces the incredibly soft and resilient rebound properties needed in a rigorous manufacturing environment. The edges of the sponge base will be beveled within 1.5 inches of the top surface to effectively taper the edges of the surface to the floor and create a visibly molded incline around the mat's perimeter. There are two different surface colors, solid black and black with a yellow edge, and two thicknesses, 0.750 inches, heavy duty, and 1.125 inches super duty. Stock sizes, 2 by 3 feet, 3 by 4 feet, 3 by 5 feet, 3 by 6 feet, 3 by 8 feet, 3 by 10 feet, 3 by 12 feet, 3 by 15 feet, and 3 by 20 feet. We provide you with a 3-year warranty.